Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on my mind and sparking a lot of conversation lately: digital disruption. More specifically, I'm talking about what I'm focusing on for business growth outside of social media in 2025. But before we jump in, a little bit about me. I've been in online business for the past 7 years, working alongside hundreds of online business clients. And before that, I spent almost 20 years managing traditional businesses, navigating the ups and downs of marketing trends and market strategies. I've seen firsthand that there were successful businesses long before social media or even the internet existed. And that's why I'm here to share the strategies that will empower you to be savvy and proactive in your own business without living in fear of the so-called social gods. I'm definitely not here to scare you. I just want to remind you to focus on what you can control and to build a resilient business. So over the past few months, we've seen some major shifts that have rocked the world of social media. The recent high-profile TikTok court case in the US saw the brief removal of the app from US users, followed by its very prompt revival ordered by the new US president. US creators on TikTok reportedly collectively earned $16 billion in US revenue in 2023. By TikTok's own estimates, 7 million US small businesses that use the app stood to lose $1 billion in revenue if the app was banned. Around 2 million creators would suffer $300 million US dollars in lost earnings in just 1 month. Let's not forget Meta's recent move from the fact checkers in the name of free speech, which is about to turn their platforms into a major bun fight, in my own opinion, with users becoming the judge on facts and misinformation, and we're going to see a rise in hate speech, fraudulent accounts, and terrorist-related material, amongst other content. And we're steadily seeing the big-name social media platform leaders seemingly aligning with the political shifts. Honestly, I'm not one for talking politics much. However, many of us are starting to question the future of these channels and asking ourselves, what if I'm too dependent on social media? And what does it mean for the future of our content, which we're so willingly create and share and engage with every day? First off, let's talk about why diversification is key. There's no denying social media has been an incredible tool for reaching audiences quickly and engaging with communities over the past decade or two, right? But the recent uncertainties have made it clear that relying solely on these platforms puts our businesses at risk. What happens when policies change, platforms shift, or unexpected digital disruptions occur? By exploring alternative avenues, I'm not just safeguarding my own business, I'm also opening new doors to growth and long-term stability. And remember, businesses had success long before social media existed. So let's take a look at the strategies that I'm implementing in 2025. Number 1, in-person networking and referrals. I'm stepping back into the face-to-face interactions, attending local events and joining in-person and online business groups. Once new relationships are built, these are a really great organic way to receive referrals, as well as asking past and existing clients for referrals too. There's nothing like the trust and connection built in person. Number 2, long-form searchable content. I'm investing more time in blogs, vlogs, and YouTube videos. These pieces are designed to be evergreen, so it ensures that your potential customers can find me whenever they search online. Unlike social media posts, which are at the mercy of an algorithm for views and they disappear from everyone's feeds within a few hours or days, long-form content on YouTube and on your website sticks around forever. It's searchable directly on YouTube and Google by people actively looking for the information that you are sharing. So spending time on content that is helpful to more people for longer than just one day seems like a good idea, right? Number 3, I'm hosting independent communities. So instead of relying on Meta or other social media giants, I'm creating my own communities, either through forums, dedicated apps, or private groups, all about cultivating a space where genuine engagement thrives. Here, your community feels safe and heard, and of course, you have full control of your content, and most importantly, you own it. Number 4 is podcast guesting and collaborations. So speaking on podcasts as a guest and collaborating with like-minded businesses not only helps broaden my audience and reach, but it also adds authority and credibility to my brand. Audio content is still on the rise right now. Following the post-pandemic Zoom screen zombies that we all became, making content for people's ears to inspire, educate, and entertain them while they exercise, drive, hang out the washing, chill on the beach, cooking their dinner, it's a great way to build familiarity, like and trust with your listening audience too. And as an added bonus, it's also long-form searchable content for future audiences to find too. Workshops, webinars and challenges is number 5. I'm going to host some live events online and offline. It gives me the chance to directly interact with my audience and offer real value and foster a sense of community. By having the opportunity to interact directly with my audience, it enables me to hear their struggles and pains in real time. And in return, I can create content and offers that are relevant and helpful right now. This, in my opinion, is the real gold of marketing. There's no second guessing or testing the strategies when the insights come straight from the mouths of your customers. Number 6 is SEO optimized website and Google Ads. I'm sharpening up my website SEO this year and leveraging Google Ads to ensure that when people search for solutions, they find me without relying solely on social media feeds. Unlike social media where the reach depends on algorithms, a well-optimized website works for you 24/7, putting your business in front of the right people at the right time. I know from my customer data that I've collected that a large percentage of people find me via Google, so I'm leveraging that further by adding some paid advertising to that area of my business. Expanding what's already working, I think that's called working smarter, not harder, right? And finally, I'm going to be nurturing my email audiences. My email list and yours is one of the most valuable assets that we have in our businesses. Regular updates, newsletters, and exclusive offers, they help maintain a personal connection with past and potential clients. It's a strategy that requires consistency to see long-term success, and it's one that I haven't prioritized until now. Alongside these YouTube videos in 2025, consistent valuable emails to my database is the next habit that I'm stacking onto my weekly must-dos. Of course, growing our email list is more important than ever, which is where my other avenues that I've mentioned come into play, but there's also untapped value in your existing email list, and when you nurture and help them, that shows. Forbes has reported that depending on the industry, acquiring a new customer can cost 5 to 7 times more than retaining an old one. So why not take care of the people already in your world? They followed you for a reason, and with consistent valuable emails, you can strengthen that relationship even further. This isn't just about diversifying revenue streams, signing up to all the alternative platforms and software, or trying 756 different marketing strategies all at once. It's about building a resilient business model that we can weather digital disruption. In today's world, staying agile and prepared for change is the name of the game. And as we move further into 2025, the strategies that I've mentioned will be critical in navigating both the challenges and opportunities that come our way. So I want to encourage you to be more savvy and proactive about the aspects of your business that you can control. If you're ready to take your business beyond social media, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with which strategy you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear. And if you've got any other methods that have worked for you outside of social media, please share them here. I'm sure we'd all love to hear your thoughts. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, in this era of digital disruption, diversifying isn't just smart, it's essential. Stay adaptable, stay creative, and keep pushing forward. Till next time.